Looking for top-notch commercial window installation in Frederick, Maryland? Our Frederick Commercial Glass Services offer unparalleled expertise in window glass replacement and energy-efficient windows. Whether you need storefront window installation or custom window solutions, our team is ready to assist with all your Frederick window needs. Commercial window replacement Frederick is our specialty. Frederick window frame installation and double-pane window replacement are essential for maintaining the integrity of your commercial property. Our Frederick window maintenance services ensure your windows remain in peak condition, providing window sealing Frederick, Maryland and window caulking services to prevent leaks and drafts. Trust our Frederick window glazing services for superior window weatherproofing and window retrofitting Frederick, Maryland. Depend on us for expert commercial window replacement Frederick. For businesses in Frederick, Maryland, window safety solutions are crucial. Our Frederick window film installation and window tinting Frederick, Maryland services enhance security and privacy. We also specialize in window hardware installation and window leak installation, ensuring your windows function flawlessly. Explore our Frederick window upgrade services for the latest in window design consultation and window restoration Frederick, Maryland. Choose us for comprehensive commercial window replacement Frederick services. Insulated glass Frederick, Maryland and window restoration Frederick, Maryland are vital for energy efficiency. Our Frederick window replacement cost is competitive, and we offer a comprehensive window installation warranty Frederick, Maryland. From window retrofitting Frederick, Maryland to window safety solutions Frederick, our team provides complete window services tailored to your needs. We're your go-to team for commercial window replacement Frederick. Custom windows Frederick, Maryland and Frederick window upgrade services are perfect for businesses seeking unique window solutions. Our window design consultation Frederick ensures your windows complement your commercial space. With Frederick window leak installation and window sealing Frederick, Maryland, we guarantee long-lasting performance and satisfaction. Count on us for creative and reliable commercial window replacement Frederick. Choose our Frederick window caulking services and window weatherproofing Frederick for optimal protection against the elements. Our window glazing and window retrofitting Frederick, Maryland services enhance durability and energy efficiency. Trust our Frederick window hardware installation and window maintenance for reliable, long-term window performance. Partner with us for dependable commercial window replacement Frederick. For all your Frederick, Maryland window glass services, including window film installation and window restoration Frederick, Maryland, contact us today. Our window replacement cost is transparent, and our window installation warranty Frederick, Maryland provides peace of mind. Experience the best in commercial window replacement Frederick with our expert team. Commercial window installation in Frederick, Maryland, is essential for businesses looking to enhance their building's appearance and energy efficiency. Our expert team specializes in window glass replacement and energy-efficient windows, ensuring your commercial property stands out while reducing energy costs. With our storefront window installation services, you can maintain a professional look that attracts customers. Rely on us for outstanding commercial window replacement Frederick. Window frame installation and double-pane window replacement are crucial for maintaining the integrity and insulation of your windows. Our Frederick Commercial Glass Services offer custom window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you need window sealing services or window maintenance, we have you covered with our comprehensive offerings. Trust the experts in commercial window replacement. Frederick. Insulated glass units are a popular choice for businesses in Frederick, Maryland, seeking to improve energy efficiency. Our window hardware installation services ensure that your windows operate smoothly and securely. For those looking to enhance privacy and reduce glare, our window tinting services in Frederick, Maryland, are the perfect solution. Upgrade with high-quality commercial window replacement. Frederick. Window caulking and weatherproofing are vital for preventing drafts and leaks. Our Frederick window caulking services provide a tight seal, while our window weatherproofing solutions protect against the elements. With our window glazing services, you can achieve a polished look that complements your building's design. Ensure durability with expert commercial window replacement. Frederick. Window retrofitting in Frederick, Maryland, is an excellent way to upgrade your existing windows without a complete replacement. Our Frederick window leak installation services address any issues promptly, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. We also offer window safety solutions to enhance security and peace of mind. We specialize in innovative commercial window replacement. Frederick. For businesses seeking to improve aesthetics and functionality, our window film installation services in Frederick, Maryland, are ideal. Our window restoration services bring old windows back to life, while our Frederick window upgrade services offer modern enhancements. With our window design consultation, you can explore various styles and options to suit your needs. Transform your space with commercial window replacement. Frederick. Understanding window replacement cost is crucial for budgeting purposes. Our Frederick window replacement cost estimates are transparent and competitive. We also provide a window installation warranty in Frederick, Maryland, ensuring peace of mind and long-term satisfaction with your investment. Trust our team for affordable commercial window replacement. Frederick. Frederick, Maryland. Businesses can benefit from our comprehensive range of window services, including Frederick Window Glass Services and Custom Windows. Frederick, Maryland. Our Frederick window frame installation and double-pane windows. Frederick services ensure your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Count on us for exceptional commercial window replacement. Frederick. Our Frederick Commercial Glass Services cater to a wide range of needs, from window sealing. Frederick, Maryland, to Frederick window maintenance. Insulated glass. Frederick, Maryland, and Frederick window hardware installation are just a few of the specialized services we offer to enhance your property's value and efficiency. Rely on us for professional commercial window replacement. Frederick. Window tinting. Frederick, Maryland, and Frederick window caulking services are essential for maintaining comfort and energy efficiency. Our window weatherproofing. Frederick solutions protect against harsh weather conditions, while Frederick window glazing services add a touch of elegance to your property. Invest in reliable commercial window replacement. Frederick. Window retrofitting. Frederick, Maryland, and Frederick window leak installation are vital for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Our window safety solutions. Frederick provide added security, while Frederick window film installation enhances privacy and reduces UV exposure. Enhance your building with premier commercial window replacement Frederick.